Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are continuing our fall and Halloween inspired videos, but we're in a new park. We are camping at the White Tank Mountains near Waddell, Arizona, and we just made our next fall recipe. We made a really good pumpkin cheesecake frappuccino. Keep watching to find out how. Now let's start getting this frappuccino together. 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of cold brew, 1 cup of oat milk. Now this is where the pumpkin cheesecake comes in. We've got some pumpkin cheesecake ice cream. And I did half a cup. Now what's interesting is, as you can see, it's like not frozen at all. Now it's strange because right next to it in the same freezer we have ice cubes and they're totally rock solid. So I don't know why this is not freezing in the camper. I would just keep that in mind when bringing ice cream on camping trips. This is the first time I've ever bought in this brand, so now I know it's not going to freeze. But in the past, we've had certain brands of ice cream or certain flavors that just don't stay frozen. I really don't know why. Then, I want to make this a little bit sweeter. So I've got some sugar cookies. And we're just going to drop in a couple. I've got 4 in there. Honestly, you don't get very much pumpkin or cheesecake flavor. I would definitely recommend using a different brand of pumpkin cheesecake ice cream, but that's the one that I picked up. We're just going to top it off with some coconut milk whipped cream. This bumblebee is doing my dishes. He had a few friends out here earlier, but they all left. Now for this. I mean, it tasted good, but literally the only flavor you got was sugar cookie. Welcome to camping and noisy neighbors. But the only flavor you got was sugar cookie. The ice cream sucked. It did not taste like pumpkin and it did not taste like cheesecake. So I might redo this video and see if we can get a better result. Haven't decided yet. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Didn't turn out the best. Let's try this again. 1 cup of cold brew. 1 cup of pumpkin spice creamer. Half of a cup of oat milk. Half of a cup of ice. And we've got an actual slice of pumpkin cheesecake. So about 1 cup of pumpkin cheesecake. Let's see if this blends up and turns out a little bit better. Well, this time it turned out much better. A lot of pumpkin cheesecake flavor, and it's not as thick and icy as the one we made the other day. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload our newest fall and Halloween inspired dish. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and have a great one.